Hi guys, this is Sarah Syria, and this is part 2 of our coastal decor, and let's get started on our hanging basket.
This is the basket we're going to use. I think I got this at Goodwill or something a few years ago. So for this project, we will need some twine, glue gun, painter's tape, Mod Podge, paint, paintbrush, and actually what's not pictured in this picture, some rope. And the rope is what will hang the basket to the wall. Okay, so first we'll start with taping off the bottom of the basket. I'm going to do that style where it looks like the basket's been dipped in paint. So when doing this, you really want to make sure it's attached well. I'm sort of free styling this. That has gone wrong for me in the past, so I think it looks pretty straight. The basket's a little wonky anyway, so now we're going to go back and really press down. Okay, so this is actually my Mod Podge mixture from the lamp that I did. So I had it already. So it's just paint and Mod Podge. More parts paint than Mod Podge. You can really decide just how basically clear you want it. The more Mod Podge you put in it, the more of a whitewash look, or in this case, a green wash look that you'll get. I kind of want more of a solid look and a little stronger look. So I'm just using a regular paintbrush to apply it. I'm really sort of pressing into all of the crevices and really kind of going over, making sure that I get lots and lots of paint onto the surface. I probably will end up having to do 2 coats. Okay, so we'll leave our basket now to dry. It should take about 30 to 40 minutes to dry properly. And now we can make our rope that we will hang our hanger for our basket. So I did measure out the length that I want, and this is the top part, and this is the part that will go onto the hook. And I've made a loop, and I'm going to glue it together. I'm going to hold it nice and tight. And now I'm going to wrap make it extra secure. And I think it's a nice little finishing touch, some twine around. It gives it a nice finishing look, or finished look. And that extra security that it'll stay together. So just adding glue, I'm just going to wrap, and I wrapped this around 4 times. Okay, now that's dry. We can go ahead and attach this now to the basket. So I measured the length from the other loop that I made and then hooked it around. This is the excess, the extra that I have left. And I kind of, held up the basket and from the point in which I was going to hook it onto the wall to get the length. And that measured out at 12 inches. And then I basically looped it through the basket, and then I'm gluing it again together as I did the top part. So once this is dry, we're going to do the same as we did with the top loop and wrap it with twine. So we're just wrapping again. I went around 4 times, adding glue as needed. Again, you can, as you're doing this, you'll know how much you actually need. So once you've wrapped it, you'll just cut off the extra. This is the last hook that I had to do. I actually went ahead and didn't film attaching the other side. But you really can just decide. It really depends on where you're going to hang it, so how high you want it. But that was the measurement that I had used on this particular basket. And then once you have everything secure, just hold it up. Obviously make sure that it's all even. You got to cut off that extra rope. And now we have a hanging basket.
everybody enjoyed today's revamps. I'm particularly excited about this. They're so cute. Anyway, everyone, take care, stay safe, and tune in. There'll be another video soon. Bye for now.